To HYCM Insight with myself, Giles Coughlin. Now, today I'm going to show us how to use the Seasonax screener in order to find a seasonal pattern. How does the screener work? Well, with just a couple of clicks, you can generate signals for more than 25,000 different individual stocks, currency pairs, indices, as well as commodities that are identified within just a few seconds. So what do you have to do? First of all, use the screener function, then choose your market. In this instance, let's use the DAX. Then you just set your limits. You can look for seasonal opportunities that are starting from the current day. We'll look at the 17th of January. Now set the history of the data you'd like to look at. Let's go just look for the last 10 years. Then you simply set the minimum and maximum time period that you would like to hold the instrument for. So in other words, how long would you like to hold the trade for? You can choose from a minimum of 5 to 30 or a maximum of 61 to 90. Let's take, for this instance, a 31 to 60 day hold. And then there's a last step. You just simply filter the win-loss ratio you would like. So let's go for a win ratio of over 80%. Now, what you can see is that over the last 10 years, for instance, let's take Airbus. It's gained an annualized return of, let's have a look, of 63.57%. And you can also see that it's had an average return of 6.56%. So you can see it's a very strong seasonal pattern that's in play. Now, the recent sell-off in stocks has been a worry. And it's a worry that the Fed's going to be hiking interest rates into a US economy that's slowing down. That's what's been dragging on stocks to start the year. And the prospect of the runoff of the balance sheet more quickly than expected as interest rates move higher have investors leaving particularly tech stocks. So this is a general headwind for stocks that we need to be aware of. However, if airlines are to stop operating again, if Omicron is mild enough to allow eventual free travel, then demand should pick up for Airbus once again. Don't forget, HYCM clients can access the Seasonax product in order to analyze over 25,000 different currency pairs, indices, commodities, as well as individual stocks. So please do contact your account manager for a free trial to get started right away. Major trade risks. The major trade risks for this outlook is if interest rates are seen to be rising too fast, that could cause a broad sell-off in stocks in the near term, as could any bad news for Airbus as an individual stock. That could also weaken it too.